Cantier MES X.0, the future of manufacturing execution systems. Cantier.
Manufacturing teams need more than scattered spreadsheets and reactive maintenance. Cantier MES CMMS brings setup, planning, execution, and visibility together in one connected system. From the main CMMS workspace, teams can move clearly across CMMS setup, CMMS transactions, and CMMS planning, creating a simple path from configuration to daily execution. Setup is designed to be practical and detailed. You can manage technicians, define equipment parameters, organize equipment status, capture equipment problems, and build the task lists that support consistent inspections and maintenance work. Maintenance definitions help standardize recurring work with scheduling, release, and archive controls, while reschedule reasons give teams a clean way to document plan changes without losing visibility. When problems happen, the system supports structured tracking. Teams can record equipment problems, define root cause problems with error codes and descriptions, and create better foundations for analysis and continuous improvement. As work moves forward, users can monitor equipment availability and track work order progress through statuses like completed, partially completed, or on hold, helping everyone stay aligned on what needs attention next. For decision makers, the CMMS dashboard turns activity into insight, showing spare parts status, parts consumption, expenditure trends, and work order progress in a format that is easy to review and act on. Together, these capabilities make Cantier MES CMMS a complete maintenance management solution for factories that want stronger control, clearer visibility, and more reliable operations at every stage. Running operations shouldn't feel fragmented. With Cantier, your team gets one connected system to manage maintenance, calibration, utilization, and equipment data in a single flow. It starts with work orders, where teams can quickly report problems, search tasks, assign responsibility, and start work without delay. From there, equipment activity logs create a clear record of what happened, when it happened, and who was involved, bringing structure to daily operations. Utilization tracking adds another layer of insight, helping teams monitor equipment usage over time and make better operational decisions. Cantier also supports calibration workflows, helping teams stay organized, compliant, and ready for every inspection point. When tools need external calibration, sending records capture key details like entry IDs, dates, and vendor information in one streamlined process. Once those tools return, receiving workflows make it easy to log tracking information, attach records, and keep everything up to date. For internal calibration, status visibility helps teams instantly see what's complete, what's pending, and what needs attention next. And with equipment data collection, every transaction is captured with the context teams need to maintain accuracy